Hello everyone, in this video I'll be demonstrating a subtraction range which will help students to gain confidence in use of the combination formula for 6 or -6 and in different situations. Okay, sometimes they'll need to use the big friend formula, sometimes they'll need to use the combination repeatedly, and hence this will give good practice of that formula. So let's start. The starting number that I've considered is 900. So 900. So 900 is on the abacus right now, and we'll be subtracting all numbers from starting from 61, 62, 63 up to 70. Okay, there are 10 numbers in all that we'll be subtracting here. So first number to be subtracted is 61. So for -6 on the tens place rod, the regular big friend formula will be used, +4 -10. 1 on the -1 on the units place, using the big friend formula, +9 -10. The next number to be subtracted is -62. So for -6 on this tens place rod, this time we'll need to use the combination formula, which is +4 -10. So +4 you are done using the small friend formula, +4 and -10. Okay, and 2 is to be subtracted on the units place directly. Next number, -63. So -6 is direct on the tens place. For -3 on the units place, it will be done using the small friend formula, which is +2 -5. So -63 is done. Next number is -64. For -6 on the tens place rod, again the combination formula will be used, +4 -10, and 4 is to be subtracted on the units place, which can be done directly. -64 is done. Next number, -65. So for tens place, it will be done using the straight big friend formula, +4 -10, and 5 to be subtracted on the units place, again with the big friend formula, +5 -10. Next number is -66. So on the tens place, 6 can be subtracted directly. On the units place, for subtraction of 6, the regular big friend formula will be used, which is +4 -10. Next number is -67. So for tens place, the -6 will be done again using the combination formula, +4 and -10. For -10 on this rod, it will be +4 -5. Okay, and 7 is to be subtracted on the units place, which can be done directly. Next number is -68. So for -6 on this rod, regular big friend formula, +4 -10, and for subtraction of 8 on this rod, regular big friend formula again, +2 -10. Next number is -69. For -6 on this rod, it can be done directly. For -9 on this rod, the combination formula of -9 will be used, where +1 will be done using the small friend formula. So +1 and -10 on the next left rod. Okay, so -69 is done, and the last number is -70. So for -7 on this tens place rod, the regular big friend formula, which is +3 -10. Okay, so we have finished the subtracting all numbers from 61 to 70, and the final answer we got after from a starting number of 900, the final answer remaining is 245. Okay, so please I'll request all students and parents to ensure that their child practices this kind of range repeatedly, not just once. He should do it twice or thrice today, and then on and off he should try this range once in a while, once or twice in a week at least, for good practice of the subtraction formulas for 6 especially. Okay, so all the best.